DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this absolutely stunning one previous owner Land Rover Discovery Sport 7-seater with a full Jaguar service history. It's an absolutely stunning condition, being black, got front park distance control, alloy wheels fitting on Scorpion Pirelli tyres, privacy glass to the rear park distance control with a camera. It's the HSE, so top spec. The sun is absolutely gleaming on that metallic paintwork. See privacy glass to the rear, electric tailgate, third row seats at the back, so easy as well to slide down. So you're just gonna have to, I can't do it by myself, but that literally just pulls there, fits in, and that goes down like that. Lots of extra space there. Full leather interior, Meridian hi-fi sound, panoramic roof with a blind, electric windows, power fold mirrors, electric seats. To start the car up, you can hear how nice and quiet it is. Get the key. Air conditioning blows lovely, ice cold. Engine is so nice and quiet for a diesel. It's only done 61,867 miles. It's got all the media packs here. You've got your satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, media pack. Oh yeah, we've got reverse camera, different driving style modes, off-road, hill descent, 3-stage heated seats, cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox, trip computer. It's just fully loaded. If I mention the Meridian as well, that's a good extra. You've got aux and a USB. DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.